Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to speed up your computer or laptop. If your computer is very slow, how to boost and how to speed up your computer and laptop. We will know that in this video step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. Click on start button and after that click here computer and right click on it and click here properties. After that advanced system setting, click here this option and after that select here advanced option and select here settings, performance settings. Okay, and select here this option adjust the for best appearance and click on apply button and then click on OK button and click here OK button. Okay, this is first method and now we are going for second method. Again click on settings button and select here advanced option and select here change and uncheck this automatically manage option and after that select here this customize size checkbox and type here this RAM size recommended 3070. Okay, 3070 3070 same and click here set option. Okay, and click on OK and click on OK button and click here apply and click here OK and then click on OK and restart your laptop. Click on restart now. After that login it and next method is click on my computer C drive and right click on it and click here properties. After that click here disk cleanup option. Okay, this is our free space. Click here disk cleanup. After that guys select here some checkbox like that temporary files. Okay, these are uncheck this downloaded program files folder and select here recycle bin and click here OK button and then click delete files. These are temporary files like cookies. Click here OK button and now we are going for next method. Click on start button and after that type here run and right click on it and click here run option and type here temp and click on OK, continue and select these all files and delete it. These are temporary files. Okay, you can delete it. Close this window and click here start button and type here run. Click here run and type here percentage temp and click on OK button. Select all file here and delete all file. Okay, yes, checkbox and skip. And now we are going for next method. Control panel, click here, select here large icon and click here Windows Update and here install all Windows Update on your Windows 7. Okay, your Windows should be up to date here. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.